Welcome to an Origin of Energy ring pull, push up and squat workout. This month what I'm going to work on is a single ring pull. So if you don't have a ring, you can set up a towel and just do a nice close grip pull. With the single ring, just holding it each side of the ring. So you can make it easier, have more weight in the feet. Like this, get a good stretch, bring that chest up. Otherwise, you can raise and elevate the feet, make it heavier, or just have the legs straight. Into here. And I try and make sure I touch the ring to my body. Each rep, get a good squeeze with the back. Just something a bit different than going into a ring push-up. So that's another reason for using one ring. It just makes it a bit quicker to adjust from one movement to the next. So here, just bringing that level, because these are mounted quite high, it doesn't allow for the rings to reach the ground. So you could do it there on the toes. If you have, obviously you have a normal setup where you've got the rings lower, you can do the knees there as well. But what I'm going to do is just set my feet up on the box, get a nice deep stretch at the bottom, get a nice high position at the top. Good stretch there, good turnout there, hitting some nice reps, trying to hit that elbow lock every rep. Then I'm going to go into a single leg squat. Or box step up. So using that box here, and up, alternating the legs at the top. You can use a higher or a lower step. You can assist with that bottom leg. Just try and get that nice hip extension at the top. So those I'm not going to go too hard on. I squat heavy on another day, just getting some range of motion work. Hitting that. So let's get into this 8-minute workout. Obviously if the push-ups in the rings are a bit tough, hit some nice push-ups on the floor. That'll work well. So that's 16 30-second beats. Very simple, very practical. I'm going to keep my body moving, get it done efficiently. Go guys. So here, just work with the reps that work for you now. If you haven't done a good warm-up, just go light on your first 2 rounds. First round super light, a little bit heavier, and then just work hard on the 3rd and 4th round. So I do that sometimes if I've just got to get a quick workout done. And I don't want to miss it. And I've taken up too much time doing other things. It's always a way. If you get these habits now too, you'll find that when we all go back to a more normal existence after Corona, you've got them down and you can use them in your life. And here's the challenge, just making them even, effectively. That's real skills doing that, guys. Well, it is if I can get them even. You're getting a nice turnout at the top. Again, do the version that's right for you. More. Not going to get too many reps on these. 3 aside. You could go for the full minute. It's a much heavier workout, get a higher box. With this, and it's only body weight, so that back does round a bit because your hips aren't as flexible. That's cool. Just work with the body. If your back's an issue though, you might want to just choose a height where you can maintain that nice lumbar curvature. Round 2. We want to feel those glutes work in this. I like getting a nice stretch at the bottom. Feel my whole posterior chain turn on at the top. Make it heavier, you pull more towards the belly button. You do have 2 sets of rings, makes it even better. So that way you can make faster transitions. You gotta work with what you've got. Bit of the beat there. It's slow to start. You want to feel those glutes turn on. Activate. Nice. So the first rep, stepping up with my right, I get the concentric, and then the last one I get that eccentric coming down. Balance is about. And obviously if you want to work harder in it, you can do weighted squats, double leg squats, whatever works for you. As soon as you add external load, I recommend keeping a neutral line throughout, no matter what. Definitely get good at adjusting the rings. You don't want to let them come out like that. Oh, nice and good. Simple training, guys, very effective. It's just using your time constructively, being consistent, eating well, sleeping well, loving your life, putting it all together into a nice lifestyle. That's what gets real results. Being able to train hard for a month or 2 isn't sustainable if you can't put all the other stuff together. Skills. changeover on that. We're like those Formula One guys. Simple workout, guys, practical. You know, it's a little bit boring training by yourself sometimes, but if you can get it done quickly, get back to all the other stuff that's important in your life, you're more likely to be consistent. When you have these really long workouts and think, oh, you know, I just don't have time, you know, that's the thing that slips away when you're busy. But if you get these habits down to be able to get good workouts in regardless, you know, whole life will change. And metabolic health is more important than ever. Getting those risk factors down, getting your triglycerides down with a low carb diet, getting your HDL up, same thing, improving your blood pressure, good nutrition, good lifestyle, reducing all those stresses, getting rid of visceral adiposity, another huge risk factor for corona, and fasting glucose. So, you know, if you take that approach of getting good nose to tail animal meats into your diet and then minimize plants that are problematic. For me, it's most of them, but everyone's got to figure out what works for them. Get good sleep, stay hydrated, and just love the people and look after the people that are important to you. It makes your life so much better. See you soon.